Come test drive the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.